solve our book, Chapter 12, Lesson 1, page 631. Let's start solving. We have y equals x plus 1. How we will solve here? First, we will draw a table. We will have here x. Here we have x plus 1, the value of y, and then we will have the point x and y. I will choose here any numbers I want. For example, I will choose 1, 2, I will choose 2, 1, 0, -1, -2. Let's substitute here. Remove x and put 2. So it will be 2 plus 1. This will equals 3. So our point will be 2, and let's remove x and put 1. So it will be 1 plus 1. This will equals 2. So our coordinate point will be 1 and 2. Next one, we remove x and put 0. 0 plus 1 will equals 1. So our coordinate point will be 0 and 1. Next we have -1. So remove x and put -1 plus 1. That means 0. So our point will be -1 and 0. Last point is -2 plus 1 will be -1. So our point is -2 and -1. Now let's draw this plan. Let's draw those points, okay? Points here I want to draw. The important here when we draw the plane, the coordinate plane, the important is to divide it to equals part. If it's not divided to equals part, your graph will be not correct. So here if I leave 3 boxes, I have to leave 3 boxes up and down in every direction. I have 1, 2, 3. So here 1, 2, 3. Let's put our points. Our point is first one is 2 and 3, so I will go for 2 and then go up for 3. So here our first point. Second is 1 and 2, 1, and I will go up for 2 here. 0 and 1, so 0 and 1 here. -1 and 0, so -1 and 0 is here. -2 and -1 will be here, okay? Then we will draw a line moving through those points. Okay, -2 here, -2 and 1 is here, so this one is not correct, this is wrong. So make sure you plot them correct, okay? So this is our line or our graph for equation. So this equation is linear equation, okay? Let's go for next question. In second question, we have here y equals -3x. So we will put -3x, and let's substitute for x equals 2. So -3x multiplies 2 will equals -6. our point will be 2 and negative 6. Next, remove x and put 1. So negative 3 multiplies 1 equals negative. So the point will be 1 and negative 3. Next is 0. So negative 3 multiplies 0 is 0. The point will be 0 and 0. Next is negative 1. So negative 1 negative 3 multiplies negative 1 will equals 3. Positive 3, because negative multiplies negative is positive. So the point will be negative 1 and negative 1 and 3. Next we have negative 2. Negative 3 multiplies negative 2. This will equals positive 6. Our point will be negative 2 and 6. Let's draw. So here, let's put our points. First one is 2 and negative 6. So 2 and negative 6 will be down here. 2. And then I will go to negative 6 is here. So our point is here, 2 and negative 6. Second one, 1 and negative 3. 1 and negative 3. Next, 0 and 0. Okay, negative 1 and 3. Negative 2 and negative 6. Negative 2 and positive 6. Negative 2 and 6. So from 2 I will go up to 6 here. Okay, then I will draw a line. We need a segment line, not a line. Okay, so this is our graph for the equation. Now, this equation is linear or non-linear equations? It's a linear equation because it's give us a straight line. Let's go question 3. Okay, let's solve. First, we have here y equals to x cubed. First, I choose a numbers. I put it from my mind. It's not from the equations. I just put it. I choose a small number, so it will be easy to find the answer. So here, first one will be 2. Cubed means 2 power 3. So it will be 8. The point is now 2 and 8. Next one is 1. Power 3 means 1. So the point will be 1 and 1. Next is 0. 0 power 3 is 0. So the point will be 0 and 0. Next is negative 1 power 3. It will be, answer will be negative 1. So here it will be negative 1 and negative 1. Then negative 2 power 3 will be negative 8. Next one here we have negative 2 negative 2 and negative 8. Then let's draw. when we are drawing, we will have here, first one is 2 and 8, 2 and 8 up here, it will be here, okay, 1 and 1, 0 and 0, negative 1 and negative 1, negative 2 and negative 8 is last point, negative 2 and negative 8 will be here, negative 2 and negative 8. So when it's time to merge the point, let's merge the point here from this one to this one, okay. So here we have this one, it's not linear equation, it's not a linear equation. Now we came to the part of a homework. You need to go for page 631 and do your homework from question 5 to question 10. See you soon.